Hey there, viewers. Today I'm working on a 2010 Ford Mustang with a 4.0. It's the V6, and it came in for a coolant leak. And after checking the reservoir, noticed it was low. I went ahead and topped off the fluids. And you want to do a pressure test. You use this pressure tester. You can get these online, or you can rent one from your local parts store. Sometimes they'll have these where you can get a loaner tool program. You just pump the system full of air, and you're listening for leaks. This one turned out to be a heater hose behind the intake. Sometimes you don't even need to go this far. Sometimes you can just spot where the puddle is on the ground, look where it correlates on the car. Obviously above that is where it's going to be leaking, and it could be a water pump or one of the hoses or a bunch of different things. But if you don't have any external leaks, but you're losing coolant, then there's a very good possibility you have an internal leak. Your intake could be leaking, or you could have a blown head gasket, in which case you'd either do a block test. Sometimes you get lucky, you can pull the dipstick out and just look and see if you got any milkshake on the stick. And if you do, then there's a good possibility you got a head gasket problem. But not necessarily always the case. Sometimes you get a blown head gasket and it doesn't show up that way. You actually have to do a full-on block test in order to get your answer. Anyway, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them as quickly as possible. As always, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.